NSW Automation is a global leading company established in 2004, headquartered in Penang Island, Malaysia. For almost 2 decades, we've been specialized in development and production, sale of precision fluid dispensing systems. We are passionate about delivering high-performance and reliable precision fluid dispensing solutions to support our customers' automated dispensing needs. Furthermore, NSW has grown beyond expectations from an ordinary automation company into a leader in precision fluid dispensing equipment manufacturing. Our journey starts as a team to solve the headaches and challenges of customized automation and machinery back in 2004. However, in 2007, our founders were inspired by a grand vision to embark into the automated fluid dispensing solutions. It took us to a whole new level when we crafted our first generation of fluid dispensing machines.
At NSW, we are creating the future. We promote and nurture our team to embrace the idea of challenging the status quo. We strive to be original and innovative. We challenge it with our intelligent business model, reliable products, and outstanding services.
In NSW, we believe that building a healthy relationship with stakeholders within the supply chain processes is as important as the growth of our organization.
As the marketing director of NSW, I feel very proud of the technologies and product solutions that NSW built. NSW always strive to be innovative and to meet the highest level of customer satisfaction all the time. Our NSW team has created micro-dispensing invention with a very unique performance standard and able to deliver outstanding dispense results that ahead of many market competitors.
Our micro-dispensing system has capabilities with superior consistency at every dispensation. It has allowed us to dispense the world's tiniest fluid dots diameter and lines width at the size of 80 micrometers or above with T6 solder paste material. On the positive side, we've collaborated with several major fluid material manufacturers. This allowed us to optimize their material formulation to fit into our micro-dispensing equipment's performance. We seek to keep the art of automated dispensing at the heart of what we do, to help our customers meet the ever-increasing demand for speed and quality in today's market. With years of experience as a fluid dispensing manufacturer and precision fluid dispenser maker, we believe customers are our partners, and we're committed to giving our dedicated support in helping our clients achieve their production and business goals.